So, here we go again. Rockets that fire, or machine gun and rocket. If the second rocket doesn't fire, then have a little jetpack for somebody. But I lost that person because of my brother. He got into a bad mood and threw it on the ground. So I need to put that. So it's not. They didn't tell him that. So the part that I'm not covering up on the binoculars or headlights, and the parts that I did cover up are lasers. So back here I have little swivel engines. If you can see it, there's a little flap of radio right there where I'm pointing. So there's that. And then now for the inside. It's pretty empty, but this stretcher is supposed to be in there. So you can see me trying to. If you can see it, it's at the center of the screen. So, and then I'm not sure if you can see it in there. I'm going to have to take you off the tripod, so it's going to be a little swervy. So, then in there, you'll see some two blue markers right there, and they hold back some weapons. Once in there, I can't really show them to you without damaging the vehicle. And you know how hard it is to get this back on. So I'm putting you back on the tripod. Like this time, I'm going to flip a tire. Try to make it not so swervy. I think that's basically it. Oh no, I didn't show you the cool designs on the doors. Guess I'm gonna have to do this door. You have to hold down there, and then I have a little flat piece there, engine there. And Davies at other doors. Yeah, they're exactly symmetrical. And here's a little speeder that I made. It's really nice, huh? And my brother is trying to be funny up there. Say hi, Emmett. Yeah. That's how he says hi. Well, so this is Charlie and Emmett signing off. Bye-bye, everybody out there in YouTube land.